fix TVs?
They are, well, he's attempting to fix my TV. This is my son, Trayvon. I'm gonna get him to make his own YouTube channel because he's really funny. Damn, my music went off. I can't even, huh? I'm recording on my channel, YouTube. I'm doing this just for you, son. You just need to act like yourself, because you are funny. You are funny. Word.
Please don't let him have laughing at him, man. Crying.
Yes. You just gotta catch you. You just.
Oh, it's a wire. I feel it.
Feel what are you feeling?
How much up on the train? And your mama recording us and shit, man, nationwide.
Yeah.
Nationwide.
Yes.
Well, put this for the
no. I'm going to get me a new TV, but meanwhile, fix the one I got.
Bootleg TV.
I know you ain't talking because you be all up in my bed watching my TV.
No.
Could eat. Why is you eating that chip like that? Why you eating that chip like that?
I'm not trying.
You are not supposed to bite a Dorito 3 times. That is not. Come on now, you doing too much. Come on now, you really doing too much. You still got a piece in your hand. Oh. I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what he's doing.
Talking shit, man. Who don't know what he doing?
You, nigga?
Yeah, you know what I'm doing, nigga. Handyman.
What? You is handyman.
You call me handyman.
Okay.
Let me see.
See what?
Let me see.
What do you want to see?
Just let me see.
Look who's come busting in the room.
Yeah,